How to add address in Instagram bio. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on a device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now as you're logged into your account, let's just go to our own profile. So let's select on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on the option of edit profile. So let's tap on edit profile over here, and here what you can see is we have the name, username, add link, banners and so on. But in terms of location, we do not have any other option. You can see the personal information settings, so simply tap on personal information settings and you can see there's no option over here as well. So what we can basically do over here is simply tap on add link, tap on add external link, use the URL of the location that you have and simply select on address. And now here you can simply paste the URL of the location via Google Maps. So you can simply go for Google Maps over here. So let's go for Google Maps over here, copy the URL or the link from the map, and as you do that you can just add any sort of location over here. So let's just wait. So let's wait to post it on the Instagram. Tap on Instagram over here first and then just put on the URL over here. So I'm going to put a very random URL. So just example, this is the address or the URL of the address, and then simply go back and you'll have the location or your address in your Instagram bio just like this. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.